Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PayPal business account to receive e-commerce payments, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.paypal.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the PayPal website. On the home page, look for the login button located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will see two fields asking for your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your PayPal business account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you want the system to remember your login details, check the box next to Keep Me Logged In. Click the login button to access your account. If you entered the correct credentials, you will be redirected to your PayPal dashboard. Once on your dashboard, locate the Request Payments or Receiving Payments section. Here, you can find tools and options for receiving e-commerce payments. If you encounter an error message, double-check your email and password. If you forgot your password, click on the Having Trouble Logging In link. Follow the prompts to reset your password. Once logged in, explore additional features such as invoices and payment links. Ensure your account settings are optimized for e-commerce transactions by navigating to the settings icon. Review your business information and payment preferences. With these steps, you are now set to receive payments through your PayPal business account. Congratulations, you're ready to start processing e-commerce payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.